Hello everyone and welcome once again to another Windows 8 tutorial. For this one we'll be looking at basically the Windows Store. I think that's what they call it, the Microsoft Windows Store. Basically it's an automatic link to the Windows Store. It's automatically on your Windows 8 Metro interface. So we just click on that and wait for it to load. And you can see, this one's actually, I find it a bit confusing. There's no search function or no search features. There's actually no really way to search for an application you're looking for. You've got Store, you've got Spotlight. This is what they're spotlighted for the day. You've got Top Paid, Top 3, New Releases. You've got Games, Social, things like Facebook, Skype, Entertainment, Photo, Music and Video, Sport, Books and Reference, News and Weather, Health and Fitness. You got a whole range of different things for the on the Windows Store. You can you got government, education, business. You got a whole load of things to look at. I find it's a bit bad you've got no search function, as if you're looking for a particular app, it's like so instead of clicking on Control F to find or something, you have to scroll through a whole list of applications. So for the moment I'll click on games, so I want to actually look at see what games I've got today. On games, wait for it to load. Sometimes these things can take a bit to load. Once again, no search function, I don't see a search feature, there's no search button. You've got all these different colours, red, blue, green, yellow, black. So, and it tells you all the prices. You can do all by games, by category. So if I want to look at racing games, or if I want to say racing, see what racing games I've got for today. Wait for it to load again. All prices, free, paid. I want to see what free games they've got for racing today. I want to sort by newest. I can have say, okay, these are the newest games I've got that are new, that are free. So I won't be downloading any today, but I can see there's 15 apps. But I can go back. By clicking on the back button, it takes me back to the main menu. I can see once again there's no really search function. I can click on top 3 of the store for the spotlight ones, see what they're spotlighting that's free today. So you can see just by scrolling or using the thing down here, so you can scroll using the middle mouse button, or scrolling using that grey bar down the bottom, and see a range of different varied colours. Can be quite confusing. Yet again, I see no basically search feature. So unless you can do Control F, which that's been disabled. So I'm doing Control F at the moment. No search option gives me anything. So there's no search feature comes up on the screen. So it isn't a search feature. It's probably one of the lacking things of the Windows Store. They could probably do with a search function somewhere that allows you to search for the applications that you're looking for. Maybe there is one. Maybe you can download something for that. But I'm yet to discover that if one such exists. So let's go back. So basically, I guess you have to have a Microsoft account with credit or something to do the paid apps, but I don't buy the paid apps. So I can see new releases, see what new releases today. Wait for it to load. Sometimes it can take a while to load. I can see there's 99 applications. So once again, no search function or feature. Control F doesn't do anything. So I find it's quite poor how there's no search at all. Could do with one. But other than that, I've actually had no complaints. But some of these ones I don't really use. A lot of these I don't use on the computer. Things like health and fitness, books and reference, sport. It's good if you actually have a news app, I suppose, and you can find out what's happening on the news without having to actually physically go to the website. But most of these applications, you will have to be connected to the internet for it to work. I guess except the free games. But I do know things like the socials, entertainment, things like music. If you can download radio apps, you will have to be on the internet for them to connect to the internet and work. So that's just an overview of the actual app store of the. It's basically a bit like iTunes with no search function. It's got a lot of bright colours and everything. And to get back, you can actually left click on here, bring your mouse back down, and I'm going to show you a nice new interesting feature of Windows 8. that nobody actually probably were aware of. You can move your mouse up to the top of the screen. You can see the cursor changes to a hand icon. You can click there, drag down. You can see this new window kind of like minimizes. Keep dragging down, drag down, drag down, drag down, and you can see off the screen, and it brings me back to the Windows 8 Metro interface. So if I want to open up into Explorer, I can do the same again. I can put my cursor anywhere on the top of the screen as long as the hand icon is present. Click on it, you can see the hand or the fingers actually hold down, drag down, drag down, drag down, 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 and then let go. Then I'll get back to the Metro interface. So that's another feature to get back. So I think we're up to 4 ways to get back to the Windows 8 Metro interface, which is pretty good. So hopefully that helps out on a bit about the Windows 8 Metro store. Thanks.